Hey dudes, here's how to make crescent moons in Inkscape. First, let's make a circle. Go to the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, then click to drag to create a circle. Then, duplicate that circle, then offset that duplicated circle somewhere near the original circle. I'm going right here, or right here. Right here, right here, right here. Then select those two, then go to Path, then go to Difference. For now, that looks great, right? But let's backtrack a bit. Let's Ctrl Z. What if I want a different kind of crescent? Well, let's duplicate these two. Then let's move this here. What if the duplicated circle is smaller than the original circle? So let's hold Ctrl, then drag it a bit down so it's smaller. Then let's combine those. Select both of them, then go to Path and Difference. It looks different, right? Now let's duplicate the original one. What if the duplicated circle was bigger than the original circle? Now select that and let's make it bigger. Hold Ctrl to keep the proportions of the circle. Then select both of them. Then go to Path and Difference. Let's do it to the original ones. So Path and Difference. So that's how to make crescent moons in Inkscape. So anyways dudes, I'm Newecreator and see you later.